What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luke, but you can call me Louie, and in today's video we're going to be fixing up our Coleman mini bike. And in this video we're going to be changing our Coleman mini bike from this to this. New throttle. Cable fixed. So as you guys can see, the throttle won't turn. It really won't turn. So we'll be fixing that. And another problem, this throttle cable is really busted. Look at that. We'll be also fixing that. So lo primero que tienes que hacer es zafar esto. Alright, now we got that loose. Next, you're gonna want to unscrew these two bolts. Drill. Unscrew this bolt too. And this is garbage. Next, we're going to unscrew these two bolts. Then you'll see this thing pop up. So guys, this is how your throttle should look, okay? So now, you get it, okay? You insert it gently into the hole with the needle. Gently. This is the easiest part. Okay? You just get your throttle cap. And you get your screws. And you screw it in. There. There. Now, your throttle is good, but you still have to secure it. So, first, you put this in your screw. Now you pull the nut all the way back, then you just screw it in. And guys, it's way easier if you have a Spanish key, like this 8mm that we can just boop. Alright guys, so first your throttle cable enters through here. It goes up, then it goes through the lines to the left. Now you put your throttle on. Now you put your other throttle part on. So now you just installed your new throttle and the new throttle cables. Wow. Easy peasy. Now we're gonna clean it. And it'll be good as new. And guys, that's the end of this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. But in the next video, we're actually going to be using this bike to go fishing. Because we have these. eso es todo lo que tenemos para este video. So, happy riding y nos esperamos en el part 2. Chao.